Hi everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, I am going to show today's Leetcode problem. Today's Leetcode problem is 258 add digits. So let's try to understand the problem statement, and after that we will see the approach. So in the problem statement, we have given a integer nums. So we have given one integer nums. Repeatedly add all its digit until the result has only one digit and return. So basically problem statement says that we have given an integer nums. Suppose the given integer is 38. So we have to repeatedly add all the digits. So we have to add this or digit is equal to 38 is equal to 11. So we have to add till we get the final result is one digit number. Here we get the two digit number. So again add the digit of 11, that is 1 plus 1, that is 2. So when the result we will get is one digit number, then we have to return that digit. So here if you see, we have to return the 2. Okay, so see, this is 38 to 38 will be added as 3 plus 8, 11. 11 is a two digit number, so again we add the digit of 11. So 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. So we have to return the 2 in the answer. So basically one catch over is that in the problem statement it is given that we are not using any recursion or loop. We have to do in big O of one time. Okay, so let's first see the recursive solution, that how we will approach. Actually a recursive approach is very simple, not that much tough. So see, in the recursive approach what I will do, at every suppose we have 38, so we have to first add all the digit of the number. So we get 11, then we have to check whether 11 is less than 9 or not. If 11 is less than 9, then we have to return that things, or if 11 is not less than 9, then recursively call the function for 11. We do these things again and again, such that whenever we get the nums is of one digit number that is less than equal to 9, then at that position we have to return that number. So if you see the recursive solution, that so see, first I take the sum is equal to 0 and I do these things for adding the every digit. So while nums greater than 0, we add all the digit of the num. So here we add 3 plus 8, that is 11. So at that point of after end of this while loop, we get sum is equal to 11. Okay, and after that we check whether the sum is less than equal to 10. So no, here sum is not less than 10. So we go to the else part. So at else part, what I will do, again call the same function, add digit for num is equal to 11. So we pass the sum is equal to 11. Again this happens, again sum is initialized with 0, and after that check check nums greater than 0. Here num is equal to 11. Okay, so again find the sum of 8 digit, to sum is equal to we get 2 after end of this while loop. After the check whether the sum is less than 10, yeah, sum is less than 10. So we have to return that sum, that is here 2. So we have to return the 2. So this is the recursive approach of this problem. If you try to solve using big O of one time complexity, so I will, so this problem is basically we have to check whether the number is divisible by 9 or not. So in order to find whether the number is divisible by 9 or not, then we have to add the element of the number. Okay, and if the element of the number it is divisible by 9, then we have to say, we can say that that number is divisible by 9. So basically in this approach, first we do if sum is equal to 0 or not. If sum is equal to 0, then return 0. Otherwise check whether the number is divisible by 9 or not. If it is divisible by 9, then we have to return return the 9, else we have to return whatever the remainder after getting the divisibility of a 9. So this is the approach of big O of one time complexity. But yeah, so if you try to submit this approach, then you will get the correct result. So let's try to run the code, and after that we will see whether it will be submitted for all the test cases or not. So see, it will be submitted for all the test cases. So I hope you guys understand the recursive approach as well as big O of one approach. So big O of one approach is actually a mathematical part, so we have to take care of that things. So thank you for watching the video. See you in the next video.